Imagine a digital world where you control your data. Imagine a world where intermediaries fade and power shifts back to the users. This is the promise of Web 3.0, the next evolution of the internet. It's not just about new technologies, it's about a fundamental shift in how we interact and transact online. Web 3.0 aims to create a more open, fair, and secure internet experience. It's built on the idea of decentralization, where control is distributed rather than concentrated in the hands of a few powerful companies. This means you have more ownership and autonomy over your digital life. The potential impact of Web 3.0 is immense. It has the power to reshape industries, empower individuals, and unlock new possibilities. From finance to art to social media, Web 3.0 is poised to revolutionize how we live, work, and connect in the digital age. Get ready to explore the exciting world of Web 3.0 and discover how it's shaping the future of the internet. To understand Web 3.0, let's take a quick trip down memory lane. Web 1.0, the early internet, was like a giant library. Websites were mostly static pages of information. You could read them, but interacting was limited. Then came Web 2.0, the social web. We got Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. We could create content, share our thoughts, and connect with others, but this came at a cost. Our data became a valuable commodity, controlled by these platforms. Web 3.0 aims to correct this imbalance. It leverages technologies like blockchain and cryptography to create a decentralized internet. This means more control over your data and how it's used. Imagine a social media platform owned by its users, or a financial system without banks. These are just glimpses of what Web 3.0 can enable. It's about shifting the power dynamic from large corporations back to individuals. Decentralization is at the heart of Web 3.0. It uses blockchain technology, a secure and transparent way to record and verify transactions without intermediaries. Think of it like a digital ledger distributed across a network of computers, making it resistant to censorship and single points of failure. Smart contracts are another key building block. These are self-executing contracts written in code. They automate agreements, ensuring trust and transparency without the need for middlemen. Web 3.0 also emphasizes privacy and security. With data breaches becoming increasingly common, Web 3.0 gives users more control over their personal information. It uses cryptography to secure data and transactions, making it difficult for unauthorized access. These technologies work together to create a more equitable and user-centric internet experience, paving the way for new possibilities in various fields. Section 4. Web 3.0 in Action Real-World Examples. Web 3.0 is more than just a concept. It's already making waves in various sectors. Here are some examples. Decentralized finance, or DeFi, platforms use blockchain to offer financial services like lending, borrowing, and trading, bypassing traditional banks and institutions. Non-fungible tokens, or NFTs, are unique digital assets representing ownership of digital or physical items, like art, collectibles, or even virtual real estate. Decentralized autonomous organizations, or DAOs, are communities owned and governed by their members using blockchain technology. They allow for transparent and democratic decision-making in various projects and organizations. The Metaverse Web 3.0 is instrumental in building the metaverse, a persistent and immersive virtual world where users can interact with each other and digital assets. These are just a few examples of how Web 3.0 is changing the way we interact with the digital world, offering new opportunities for creators, entrepreneurs, and everyday users. Section 5. Growing pains. Challenges on the road to Web 3.0. While the potential of Web 3.0 is immense, it's not without its challenges. Scalability. As more users and applications join the network, blockchain technology needs to handle transactions faster and more efficiently. Energy consumption. Some blockchain networks require significant energy, raising concerns about their environmental impact. Regulation. The decentralized nature of Web 3.0 poses challenges for regulators, requiring new frameworks to ensure responsible innovation and user protection. User experience. Using Web 3.0 applications can be complex for mainstream users. Simplified interfaces and better user experiences are crucial for wider adoption. Addressing these challenges is crucial for the long-term success of Web 3.0. Developers, entrepreneurs, and policymakers need to work together to overcome these hurdles and unlock the full potential of a decentralized internet. Section 6. The future is decentralized, Web 3.0 and its potential. Despite the challenges, the future of Web 3.0 looks promising. As technology matures and awareness grows, we can expect to see wider adoption and integration into our daily lives. Imagine a future where you have more control over your data, your digital identity, and your online experience. Imagine a future where creators can connect directly with their audience, bypassing traditional gatekeepers. Imagine a future where communities come together to build and govern their own digital spaces. Web 3.0 is not just about technological advancements, it's about empowering individuals and creating a more equitable and accessible internet for everyone. The journey may be challenging, but the destination holds the promise of a truly revolutionary digital future.